Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Bajaj Finserv. Analyst maintains buy rating on Bajaj Finserv with a target price of Rs 2,350. Allianz SE has decided to exit the joint venture with Bajaj Finserv. Now the company may look at listing of its insurance businesses, resulting in value unlocking. Additionally, it is well positioned to capture the structural growth story across the financial landscape. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in the last 12 months. Next, we have an update on Bajaj Holdings and Investments. Analyst maintains buy rating on Bajaj Holdings and Investments with a target price of Rs 14,346. Allianz SE has decided to sell its entire 26% stake in the insurance arm of Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Holdings will acquire 20% stake in each insurance companies from Allianz SE. The company is consolidating its group investments and eyeing superior returns in the future, driven by IPO of insurance companies in the future. Moreover, the company remains a key beneficiary of strong growth across its associate companies, and healthy outlook over medium to long term will likely act as a positive trigger for the stock's performance going ahead. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in the last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.